First we heard him
Did
talk.
you feel the towel?
What's your, oh, does it have the feeling in it?
On his towel, it's got the fuzzy. On the last page, maybe. Oh, blankie.
Feel it. Oh, nice. Soft. Is that nice?
2 books.
He's not a real bath time lover, this guy.
No, that's why when I saw this.
Yeah, but he knows what they're doing. But having a bath.
He's
is
a
better for
speed reader.
somebody else.
Yeah. Yeah. Do you want another one?
Oh, jeez.
Big one?
Oh,
Yeah.